We're just gonna go in with a skin color tone shade and set that brow bone so we can go ahead and start blending neutral brown or tan and blend up high in the crease over here, just slightly tapping it in, and then just into the inner corner, but you don't want to take it up as high here. A deeper shade of brown and just go in and redefine the area we did. Brown, and you're just going to kind of go in the same area, really focus kind of a little bit lower to create a gradient, and then to blend it out you're going to tap and push up. Then we're just going to take and set that with a skin tone color. I have laid down glitter glue, and I'm just going to go on with this black shade and create this wing. Then you're just going to smoke out that liner with a little bit of gray shadow to about right there. Just going to go in with a shimmery champagne shade and do the inner corner over. A black liner and tightline the upper lash into this little inner corner, and we're just going to kind of make a little peak, and then we're going to go down here and just do the outer thirds of that like that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think.